Hi, hello, and welcome to California Avenger. We're here for the 25th anniversary. We're gonna go grab special magnets. They should be showing up on screen here. And then we're also eating at the Magic Key Terrace.
And we're doing something stupid today.
Jordan wants to do. We're doing a 5 or a 10.
10.
We're gonna time ourselves and do a 10K through the parks because we can. Let's go. 20 minutes in, mile 1 done, and that's only just going from the front gate back here to.
The Lunar New Year Festival.
Yeah, but that's not. This is the
Something.
the
Goofy Sky School.
yes, Goofy Sky School, the Plaza Gardens, not Plaza Gardens, the Paradise Pier or Paradise.
Wow.
What is this called now? This is not Paradise Pier anymore.
Pixar.
No, that's Pixar Pier. That is the Paradise Gardens.
This is the boardwalk.
I don't know what is. We'll look at this wheel. Anyway, 22 minutes.
The line.
6 miles still to go, or 5 miles still to go.
5 point something.
5 point something. Yeah. More wandering. Mile 2 done. 46-ish minutes. It took a minute.
48.
We're at 48 minutes, but it was before that. It was. I think I heard a 24 minute split is what it's saying. 24, 25 minutes split. 4 more to go. Another 23 minutes through, and another mile done. 3 more to go.
3.18.
3.18 to be more specific.
Yeah.
Because Jordan's being a perfectionist over here. Alright, so we stopped for a healthy snack along the way, and by healthy I mean ice cream. Does not look like what the image looks like. What it was supposed to look like is here. It's fine. It's supposed to be 2 pieces of frozen bananas on the back, chocolate ice cream on the bottom, vanilla on top. We're going to share this with everybody else because there's a lot here. Get down there. Oh, that's hot fudge in the middle too. That's good. Have a spoon. I think the caramel one from last time was better. The churros. I think this is more in it, so this is gonna be more filling. It's also dripping. That is true. At this moment, we're gonna give it a solid 4. We'll get through more of it and we'll come back to it. So, update. It was good. The bananas actually tasted really fresh. They were nice and recently dipped. So, 4.5. I think actually I like this one more than the churro one. I think the ice cream also just was softer.
And this one.
Yeah.
This one's scooped fresh, the churro one. So you actually watch them, like last year I picked it up. The churro is literally, it's literally just pepper.
So, I'm sure this mic didn't pick that up. Maybe I put it on the side. What Jordan was saying is the churro one, it's not as fresh of ice because it's all frozen. But yeah, so back and forth. This was good, 4.5. I definitely would get this again. Pay more attention to Clarabelle's. I think this is the first time I've had ice cream here. Anyways, back to the 10K. Mile 4 done. Again, just over 24 minutes per mile, so doing good pace. We are working our way back towards. Right now we're in Grizzly River country, but we're going to be back over towards the Hyperion to go get our Magic Key stuff. And then we have 1 loop after that, and we should be done. And then lunchtime. So I guess change of plans. Evidently, there's a QR code and a virtual queue required to go get our Magic Key 25th anniversary stuff, which are magnets and such. When we walked by earlier and found the times, there was no QR code. There was nothing about a virtual queue. Apparently, they're already gone. And the area doesn't open for another 10 minutes. So I guess we're not going today. Maybe next weekend. I'm trying to come down, so maybe I guess we can try then. That's kind of obnoxious. Anywho, I guess onward and upward. That is mile 5. That split pace was 23 minutes, so we actually picked up pace along there somewhere. Yeah, just over 1 more mile to go, and less than an hour till lunch. Cool. That is mile 6, 24 minutes, 45 seconds, meaning point 2. So we're gonna make our way to the Magic Key Terrace, and that's our point 2. And there it is, 10K. Time for food. We have the mint julep cocktail. This definitely looks like it needs to be stirred. We'll try from the top though. That's straight vodka. Good mix. Meh. That's a 1. Not great. I was expecting more mint julep flavor, but it's just straight liquor. Next, we got the fondue. So we got some sourdough bread, some potatoes, and chorizo with our cheese. The cheese could have been melted a little bit more. It's a good cheese though. That's a good fondue. Surprising that very little bread. We each took 1 piece and we're already almost out of bread as Jordan's spilling all over the place. I think it got right on your napkin. But they added potatoes and chorizo with it. I think I would have preferred just a lot of sourdough with it personally, but hey, pretty good appetizer. Out of 5, a 4. It's a good 4. Okie day. So we got the gnocchi. Gnocchi, yeah? Yeah. The G is silent.
It's like pterodactyl, but the P.
Yes.
Is it too spicy or is it okay?
I haven't taken it right yet, but
Oh, sorry.
you're good. You're
I
good.
like it. It's good.
It smells good. So we were warned it's going to be a little spicy. Oh, that's wonderful. There's a tidbit of heat in it, but no, that's perfect. But no, perfect. Again, a little bit of heat, great texture. 4.5.
There's a lot.
There's a lot. Like this is a big plate. Like it's hot, so like that's for reference. That's a big plate. So, and it was the cheapest. I think it was one of the cheaper items on the menu. Also, like great price. So we're gonna enjoy this. Okay, that is the end of our day here at California Adventure. Things did not go as planned, but we had a great meal. We did our 10K. We're gonna go home. Jordan can't feel his legs. We're gonna go home, play board games, rest up, and then I am back here next week. But there's multiple videos being shot next week because we're also going to Universal Studios as pass holders, which is weird to say. I'm getting a pass for Universal, but hey, we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna go have fun. You're gonna like, subscribe, and comment what you think of the gnocchi or nochi. Gnocchi. Until then, see ya.